You know that moment when you got a video idea, but the script just won't come together?
Yeah, you got the topic, maybe even a title, but the words, nothing's landing.
You start second-guessing everything. The tone, the hook, the order of your points. And 2 hours later, you got maybe 5 sentences.
Happens to a lot of creators because writing a script isn't just writing, it's thinking clearly under pressure on a deadline.
And sounded like yourself, but also staying on track and not being boring.
That's where custom GPTs come in. They're not magic, but they can take a lot of the weight off.
All right, break it down for me. What is a custom GPT, like in plain language?
It's a version of ChatGPT you train with your own instructions, how you speak, how you like your script structured, even the kind of pacing you prefer.
So it's not just write me a script, it's write it like me.
Exactly. You can build one to help you write intros, outlines, even full drafts, all in your voice.
All right, but what can it actually do? Say I've got a rough idea and a few scattered notes.
It can turn that into a full outline with a hook, segment breakdown, transitions, and a wrap-up. You still guide it, but it fills in the gaps.
And it remembers my style?
Yep, you train it once with a few examples and it starts picking up on how you like things to sound.
That would save me so much time, because half my writing time is just tone checking myself.
Right. This way you stay consistent across videos. No more, why did I sound like a TED Talk last week and a vlogger today?
Yeah, I've definitely had that. But does it ever feel too AI-ish?
Only if you let it do everything. Best way to use it? Let it get you to a solid draft, then you go in and tweak.
So it's like a really fast co-writer who doesn't complain when you delete half the script.
Exactly. It handles the structure and rhythm so you can focus on the voice and the message.
I mean, I can see why people mess this up. If you just copy-paste whatever it gives you, it's gonna feel hollow.
Yep, the best scripts still have you in them. AI just helps you get there faster.
All right, so this isn't about shortcuts. It's about getting unstuck, staying consistent, and saving energy.
That's it. It doesn't replace your creative voice. It just helps you use it more efficiently.
Cool. I'm gonna try building one this week. Where do I even start?
Start simple. Give it a few examples of your writing. Set some clear instructions, tone, structure, pacing. Let it learn how you like to work.
If you want help setting one up, there's a link in the description. It walks you through how to build a custom GPT that actually fits your workflow.
Saves you a lot of trial and error and gets you back to doing what matters, making the actual video.